Hello my friends, it's good to see you again. Dr. Science here. I thought we would try the walking water experiment. First thing that I have here is I have 7 plastic cups. You can use glass, whatever you can use, as long as they are transparent, which means you can see through them. I have liquid watercolor. I've got red, I've got blue, and I've got yellow. The only other thing you'll need are paper towels. So get your stuff ready and let's move on to the next step. Alright my friends, our next step is I have filled 1, 2, 3, 4 of my cups with water, and I've placed them in the first position, the third position, the 5th position, and the 7th position, all odd numbers, and I've left the ones in between them empty. I'll show you why in just a minute. The first thing we're going to do here, or the next thing we're going to do here, is I'm going to take my red watercolor and I'm going to add it to my first cup with 3/4 water and my 7th cup. So I'm going to add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that was a little bit more than 5, but I think it'll be alright. And my 7th one. Let's make it nice and red. That's way more than 5, but let's have some fun. My next step is I'm going to add my blue to the 3rd cup. Let's make this bad boy nice and blue. Oh yeah, that's a nice blue. I'll take my stir stick, stir it on up. That looks nice. And on my 5th cup, I'm going to add just a little bit of yellow. Maybe a lot of yellow. I want some real yellow in there. I take my stir stick, stir it on up, and we go on to our next step. Alright my friends, now that I've all my water coloured, I've got my first one. It turned out more pink, but that's okay. And my second one is empty. My third one is filled with blue water. My 4th one is empty. My 5th one is filled with yellow water. My 6th one is empty. And my 7th one is red. Now, I've got a paper towel. Just one sheet here. I'm going to fold it in half. Just like that. One time. And then I'm going to do it again. And I will need to do that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paper towels. Alright? Alright my friends, I've got my 6 paper towels as you can see here. Folded twice in half. Now, let's do the fun part. I'm going to try to do this so you can see each step I take. I'm going to take 1 paper towel and I'm going to put half in the first cup and second in the second cup. Does that make sense? So I'm going to take half of it and put it in this water, half of it and put it in the empty cup. Here we go. Then I'm going to do the same here. Half and half. I'm going to move on to the next one. There we go. You can try cutting a little bit off. That may make this a little bit easier, but it's alright. And then I'm going to move on to my next ones. Stick that little fella in here. Move over. Don't take up all the room. And one more. There we go. Now, let's watch what it does. Now, this is why we call it the walking water experiment. You can see here, the water is starting to travel up the towel. You can see it in the blue really well. See how it's traveling in? It's traveling all the way up that paper towel. Here's the yellow. It's coming along nicely. And here's the red. I wanted to show you on this one because you can see it really well in the blue. You see how it's moving slowly down the wall? The water is moving slowly down the paper towel. Isn't that cool? Now, while the water is walking up the paper towels, I I'll explain to you how it works. It's a movement called capillary action, and it's because the cohesive forces, cohesive means it sticks, the cohesive forces between the paper towel and the water are stronger than just the water. So, the capillary action moves its way up through the paper towel because the capillary action of the water and the paper towel are stronger than just the water itself. Pretty cool, eh? Can you say capillary action? Nice work. Hello, my friends. Let's check up on our water. And I want to show you something cool. You can see they've mixed together a little bit. So this one was completely empty when we started, and now it's filled up all the way with blue and pink. This one right over here made a little bit of green water. How cool, because the yellow mixed with the blue to mix a little bit of green. And the yellow and the red just kind of made a pink color. If I had it as a really, really bright red, it would probably make an orange. So, that's my walking water experiment. I hope you try it at home. Let me know how it goes for you. And always, have fun on Dr. Science. Goodbye, my friends.